All right, you guys, so get ready to trim up some briskets. I'm gonna show you how to trim up this brisket in an easy and simple way. And I'm gonna show you a tool that you're gonna need to cut it up this way. All right, you guys, in this video, very simple and easy, you guys. It's gonna be quick. I'm gonna show you in a tutorial on how to slice up this brisket. This part of the brisket is called the flat. I'm gonna show you a very easy and simple way to do it, and because people hack up their briskets a lot of different ways with their knives. They use this and then use this, but I'm gonna show you a very simple and easy tool that you can use to slice your brisket up perfectly. So if you're looking to do that, so I'm gonna teach you in this class how to slice up this to, get volume on your brisket, because some people hack it up so much they cut up thick parts and they get through their brisket real quick. I'm gonna show you how to slice up your brisket so you can get the most out of your brisket when you're serving it to your company, when you're serving it to family and friends. So all right, the first thing first is I'm gonna show you how to split this. Now I don't cut it, some people cut it a long way like this, but I'm gonna show you a very simple tactic. What you want to do is split it down the middle. So make sure you get a really sharp knife and split it down the middle, guys. Mind you, this brisket is cold, so I'm just gonna let you know that. So what you're gonna do is just split it up like that. We're not gonna cut it this way. We're gonna cut it the right way against the grain. But I'm gonna show you why this is gonna maximize the amount of brisket that you're gonna be serving. All right, so first thing first is I'm gonna turn the brisket this way. Now this is the tool that you wanna have. It's a turkey slicer. You can get it from any, local convenience store. It comes very, very great. If you look at a lot of competition guys, most of them have one of these, because one, it cuts down the time, cuts down a lot of arm strength and everything like that, and you get through real quick and easy and smoothly. So all right, so we're gonna get ready to start slicing it up. Now I'm gonna wipe my hands off, because a lot of times, when you're touching your brisket, it's real oily. So sometimes this will trigger, it's kind of slippery. So one thing I find that's a good idea is to get a paper towel, and wrap it around it as such, and then get to slicing. So I'm gonna get ready to slice. Now it might be pretty loud, so I'm just gonna let you know that. So let's get straight. Now, if you see how smooth it's going through, with this, it's going through like butter. Now, if you were wondering, remember I was telling you about the cold smoke? If the ring was in there, you see the ring? You know what I'm saying? It's really predominant in it. So it worked out, the cold smoke. So if you're ever wondering about that, if you haven't seen my video on how to cold smoke a brisket, definitely go over there and check it out. All right, you guys, so tell me what you think. You know what I'm saying? Would you use this, to slice your brisket up? It came out pretty good, guys. The slices and everything. See? And like I said, this will maximize your brisket. So, nobody won't be eating up all your brisket. All right, so let me finish slicing these up, and I'll show you the next method of, what I'm gonna do when I put them in the pan. All right, you guys. So right now, it's perfectly cut up, the way I want. Now, mind you, this is the flat. What I did was I had some beef tallow, that I got off of mini briskets that I've been smoking up. So put them in a jar, strain them, they'll look like this. All right, and so what we're gonna do is pour over some beef tallow on top. Now this is one way to keep the moisture in your brisket when you're reheating your brisket up. You don't need much. I think that's about good enough. Now, if you don't have beef tallow, you can use, vegetable oil, or you can use bacon fat, whatever you like. And next, I would like to hydrate my briskets. One good tip, you guys, this brisket marinade does wonders. This is also too what I inject my brisket with. So we're gonna put it over here to enhance the flavor. Now this, if you're doing competition, you might wanna look into this, because this is really good. Now you don't need much, this goes a long way. So just pour it over. And that's it, you guys. What I'm gonna do is cover it up with some foil, put it in the oven on 350 degrees, and pretty much we're going to be finishing up this cook, guys. Alrighty, so see you in a minute. Alright, you guys, the brisket is done, sliced up, warmed up, and perfectly tender, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of how to slice up a brisket to be able to, you know what I'm saying, stretch it a long way. Because, you know, we don't want to be chopping up our brisket, but we're going to definitely have it competition style when we're cutting it up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome on in. If you're not new, thanks for hanging in to my cooking class, guys. If you want more of these cooking classes, definitely subscribe and join in. I will see you guys in the next one.